Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 10, that is neighboring countries of India, and today we will read about Pakistan, Afghanistan, China and Bhutan. You know student that India is the seventh largest country in the world. It has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometer and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Island is 7,516.6 kilometer, and its immediate neighboring countries are Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan, and Nepal to the north, and Myanmar to the far east, and Bangladesh to the east, and Sri Lanka to the southeast. You see this map carefully, then you will understand it properly. Now we will start from our first neighboring countries, that is of Pakistan. Now here you see the political map of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country in southern Asia and it has borders with India, Iran, Afghanistan and China, and it is officially called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea in the south. Pakistan has the fifth largest population in the world, and it has a total land area of 8,80,940 kilometer square. This makes Pakistan the 34th largest country in the world, and Pakistan has the 7th largest army in the world. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, and before 1960 it was Karachi, which is now the country's largest city, and the name Pakistan means land of the pure in Persian and Urdu. Now this is very important. You should know that the name Pakistan means the land of the pure. Now the next neighboring country is Afghanistan. Now here you see the flag of Afghanistan, and now you see the political map of Afghanistan. Afghanistan, officially called Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, is a country located in Central Asia and South Asia. It has borders with Pakistan in the south and east, Iran in the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan in the north, and China in the far northeast. Now, in early times, people passed through it with animals and other goods as it connected China and India with Central Asia and the Middle East. More recently, Afghanistan has been damaged by many years of war and there not being enough jobs. And the country is around 251 and 826 square miles in size or area. There are 30 million people in Afghanistan. There are about 3 million Afghan refugees who are in Pakistan and Iran for some time, and Kabul is its capital. Now this was about the country Afghanistan. Now the next neighboring country is China. Now first of all you see the map of China, and now with the help of this political map of China you will understand about this. China is situated in East Asia, whose vast landscape encompasses grasslands, deserts, mountains, lakes, rivers and more than 14,000 kilometers of coastline. It is the most populous nation in the world, and capital Beijing mixes modern architect with historic sites such as the Forbidden City Palace Complex and Tiananmen Square. And Shanghai is a skyscraper studded global financial center. And the iconic Great Wall of China runs east west across the country's north. Now, this was about China. Now, we will read today up to Bhutan. So, the next country is the Bhutan. First of all, you see the flag of Bhutan. And Bhutan, officially called Kingdom of Bhutan, is a small country in the Himalayan mountains of South Asia. It is ruled by King Zigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk, who has been king since 2006. And Bhutan was founded in 1644 by Shabdrung Ngawang Namgyel. You can see the picture. And the Bhutanese people are proud. They have always been an independent country, and Bhutan's capital city is Thimphu, and the official language is Dzongkha. So today up to Bhutan only, and in my next class we will deal with the next 4 neighboring countries left. Till then, you will read this chapter once again, and the classwork I will give in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.